Why do I love companion planting for your garden, and what is it? Companion planting is planting certain crops next to each other to increase the yields, to have less pests, less disease. I have been using it all my life. I have been using companion planting. I have a playlist on it on my YouTube channel. That's how much I believe in companion planting. In all my years of planting a garden, I have never once had to fertilize with chemicals, had to spray for pests or disease, not once with companion planting. Now, is it perfect? No, nothing in nature is perfect. Sometimes I've lost a few tomatoes, not the whole crop, but maybe a few, but it minimizes the pests and increases the yields. So that's one of the reasons to do companion planting. So for instance, even if one plant is not doing well, say the weather or some pests got at it, if one plant isn't doing well, the chances of the other plants doing really well increases, and it increases their chances of survival. So companion planting, one of my favorite things. I highly recommend it. You can find all kinds of tips on my YouTube channel, and you have a great day.